With the growing popularity of the dark web, many people are finding their way to searching the different sites to see what types of things they can either see or purchase. Whether it's for morbid fascination or the possibility of getting something very valuable, the growing trend of mystery boxes that can be bought from several different sites is becoming more and more common. And there are hundreds of videos on YouTube alone that show different people unboxing these supposed packages. Sometimes they are funny and clearly hoax, but there are other times where they are downright creepy and dangerous. With that being said, viewer discretion is advised for the following video, as some of what you will see is very unsettling. Hit those lights, sit back, and enjoy. Ali H and the Syringe. Ali H is a YouTuber with around 220,000 subscribers, and has many videos focusing on the creepy or mysterious. With over a dozen different videos of dark web unboxings to his name, it's safe to say that he is not an amateur with this type of content, and has had some rather interesting finds from these supposed boxes. However, in August of 2018, Ali uploaded a video of him again unboxing a dark web package. This one was different though, and downright scary, not because of any sort of creepy doll or spooky photo, but because of the strange and random medical material found inside. With some of the contents being hidden underneath and in paper towels, he didn't see the uncapped syringe, and to his horror poked his finger with the needle. Now, we do not have to go into detail of how much of a nightmare this is for anyone. There is no telling what the syringe was used for, or what it came into contact with before his finger. He also finds 2 small vials of what looks like blood in a plastic cup. The other strange things are random strands of hair matted together on the end of the syringe. Take a look.
Okay, first off, something just pricked me, and this thing's covered in like little paper towel, so I can't see what's in here. But something literally just, what the fuck pricked me? Guys, I think I just screwed up. What the hell is this? Guys, I think I got pricked by this. Dude, I literally just got pricked by a needle. And there's hair around the needle too. Ow. Guys, look at this. I got pricked by this needle. And it's covered in hair. Well, I guess maybe the hair was in the box already, but there's just all this hair around this needle. Okay, I'm 100% going to the hospital after this.
Now, we don't know why the hair was on the syringe, but we are certain whoever packaged the materials was aware of them, and also that the needle didn't have the cap on. Shortly before the video had ended, Ali stated he was going to hospital, but we were unable to find any follow-up information. We do not know if this was staged, due to many of his videos seem to be on the dramatic side. We're not saying he's a liar, but if you were to have this happen to you with one box, I think for most people it would make anyone hesitant to purchase any others, which he has done. So what do you think? Was this real or just a hoax? Dark web box leads to arrest. There are many videos of dark web unboxing that have items that claim or give the insinuation of being involved in a violent crime. Yet few have ever had any story behind them and never have any follow-up leads. The same cannot be said for the following video. YouTuber Bayz TV uploaded a video in August of 2018 of him unboxing a mystery box. Things seem to start off normal, with things such as a textbook on the human skeletal system and a pair of reading glasses. Halfway through though, the mood changes when he finds a bag of random pills and a butcher's knife, which appears to be covered in blood. As if that wasn't enough to make him stop and throw the items away, he then finds a SD card. Hesitant to play it, he ultimately decides to, and he witnesses a strange ritual that could in fact be satanic. Take a look.
Satan! What the hell is this? Yo, this is so freaking creepy. burning the cross. This guy is crazy. What the hell is he doing? Oh my god, what the hell? Who the hell? Is that the guy who sent me the box?
Shaken at this point, Bayz decides to end the unboxing. However, a few hours later, he does an update where he talks about a strange man outside of his house and that he had been knocking on his door for several minutes and doesn't seem to be leaving. Scared out of his mind, Bayz goes to the door to talk to him, and it turns out the man is a detective and had found his address since they were able to find his IP from his purchase of the box, leading to Bayz getting arrested, not being charged with anything, but more than likely being taken in for questioning. Take a look.
Guys, this person's been knocking on my door for the past 30 minutes. I don't know why. He just won't give up. I literally didn't answer. I don't want to answer. But he's been knocking for 30 full minutes. This is why I'm recording this right now, guys. I don't know what's going to go down. But it looks like there's going to be beef, guys. I don't know. Let's just see what he's... Oh my god, he's about to... Okay. Let's find out what he wants. Who is this anyway?
He did an update video a few weeks later, talking about what happened with the detective, and while he couldn't go into much detail, since the case was ongoing, it did seem that everything that happened was enough for him to quit the dark web unboxing completely. As he has stated, he would never do another one. Regardless of what you think, it sure is creepy, and is a good video for dissuading people of purchasing these boxes. The Dybbuk Box. Dybbuk boxes are something that we have covered several times on this channel, but have not gone into vast amount of detail with. Essentially, Dybbuk boxes are small wooden boxes that are said to be inhabited by a Dybbuk, which in Jewish folklore is a malicious spirit that tries to take over the body of a living person, since the spirit has unfinished business from when they were alive. There has been a lot of speculation about Dybbuk boxes, but many people prefer to stay away from them, since nothing positive can come from them. This didn't sway Casey of MindSeedTV in December of 2018 from doing just that, as he uploaded a video of him opening a Dybbuk box that he purchased from the dark web. The video itself is short and doesn't have any special effects in, apart from some sound clips, but other than that, it's played straight. Casey seemed to be hesitant on opening it, and takes many precautions, even using an EMF reader which detects and measures electromagnetic frequencies. He tests this on a microwave first to show that it does work and isn't being faked, and then he uses it on the box, which does send a pretty strong reading back from it. Afterwards, he uses a spirit box, which is a radio frequency device that scans hundreds of radio stations to get some type of response. The legitimacy behind spirit boxes is up for debate, but many paranormal hunters swear by them. After speaking with the box, he gets several responses, but many are too distorted to make out what they're saying. Once he decides to open the box, something interesting happens that Casey doesn't notice at first. The EMF reader, which was beeping frequently before the box being open, suddenly stops beeping the moment the box is opened. After this, a strange noise can be heard around the room, and even the camera picks up this audible static clicking noise. Things then begin to get creepier when a piece of art from his wall falls to the ground suddenly. Take a look.
Right there. It's like dead center in the box. And the thing that's really like creeping me out is when I move the box away, it stops detecting it. So I know it's not like any of my camera equipment or anything. Check this out. Stopped. Are you angry that you've been locked inside this box for so long? I heard something right there. There's a crystal in here. Yeah, f that. I'm out of here.
Heeding the warnings of the activity, Casey stops the session and then gives an update on his opinion of what's happened. He looks genuinely concerned for his well-being and is worried that he has a spirit now in his house. I can say that this video is pretty convincing and doesn't seem to be just another unboxing video that is attempted to be scary for the viewers. But what do you think? The Fishhead. Unboxing videos aren't always about finding scary things like a bloody knife or a human body part. While many do claim to have found these items in their mystery boxes, it in fact seems the ones who have had the most random and normal assortment of items can be the creepiest, such as in the video where YouTuber Jaskinho spends quite some time opening and going through all of the contents in his box. He finds things such as a wallet with cards and a picture of a small child, giving the feeling that this wallet is in fact somebody's. Then it shows a children's doll and then a small map of the world. None of these things strike him as creepy or scary, but it's unsettling about how these objects ended up in the box. One thing that does stand out is in a small circular carton is a dehydrated piranha head. None of the items in this box seem to have anything to do with one another. Things do take a turn when he finds an SD card taped to the back of a book, and even creepier is that his name is written in the book from a person called Annie. As he plays the movie file from the SD card, what can be seen is a disturbing video that shows many distorted images and texts that show different pictures of him at the mall, and the text then proceeds to show insulting language and possible threats to the YouTuber. Take a look.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god, what the... Oh my god. That literally just brought like tears to my eyes. Oh my god.
We don't know exactly what we would do here in this situation, because while you would hope that it's just a prank being played on you, or just the YouTuber faking it, it is disturbing to think that this could be real. Many people have called him out for it being fake, but he denies all of these claims. We're not sure what to believe, but would love to hear your thoughts. The Drug Mule. The dark web does get a cloud over its reputation for having numerous sites where you can purchase illegal drugs. This is exactly what happened to YouTuber Stanniland when he ordered and unboxed a dark web box. Things start off very good for Tom as he finds an Xbox One video game system, expensive power tools, and a very nice unopened cologne. Unfortunately, things take a dark turn as quick as the laughs turn to silent when Tom finds a stuffed animal. At first he finds it funny when he notices there is another stuffed animal within the first one, and again a smaller stuffed animal within that one. After the third stuffed animal, he pulls out a small bag, which is determined to be an illegal substance. Angry at this, and at the possible implications, Tom wants to wrap up the video and take a break. Visibly shaken at what he found in the stuffed animals, he then decides to finish what is left in the box, and what he discovers is truly frightening. Take a look.
It's just female pants. Load all of it. Whoa, 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 what's that note? What's that note? I hope you have as much fun as I did. What does that even mean? These are all obviously used. There's no tags on any of them.
Okay.
And a knife. Quite old knife.
I don't know what freaks me out most. Is it the constellation of that stuff? A USB stick. Why is it
USB stick.
kit stuff and that stuff, Thomas?
It's got a hair on it. I can't move.
Now, we do not know the legitimacy of this video, but unlike many of the other YouTubers who do this, Tom is a father, and we can't imagine that he would try to fake something like this just for the attention of the internet, when his own son could one day see the video. The ending with a USB in his computer is the only thing that we think is a tad over the top, as we definitely wouldn't be inserting any USB into our computer if it came from the dark web, as that could never end in a good way. So what do you think? Do you think this is real or just a hoax? So there you have it, 5 scary dark web unboxing videos. We would advise you that while we can't stop you from purchasing any mystery boxes from the dark web, if you do, please be safe and wear proper hand and eye protection, as well as a respirator for your lungs, because you never know what types of things you would expose yourself to with these boxes, if they are even real in the first place. We hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.